Do you have gift cards to sell? In this video, and Chai. Do you have gift cards to sell and you are based in Ghana or Nigeria? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your gift card on the Giftcardtonaira app. Before we go on, please like this video, and if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is to download the Giftcardtonaira app. I'm going to put a link in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. So when you download the app, fill in your details, your registration details, and use the code on the screen that you can see as your referral code, all right, to show appreciation to this channel. So after you do all of that, when you sign up, they are going to send you a verification code to your email. So you need to input that verification code so you can access the app. So when you access the app, this is what you are going to see in the app. It has a very simple interface, and I'm going to be walking you through everything you need to know about the interface on this app. So when you register, you see the interface like you are seeing on the screen. So you see available balance, withdraw. This is a new account, so I want to show you step by step. So you see set your transaction pin, add your default bank account. All right, so when you come to set your transaction pin, so I'm not going to be showing you my own transaction pin, but this is a pin that would be required when you want to trade for withdrawal approvals and all of that. So this is where you are going to set your transaction pin. Then the next place is to add your default bank. This bank account is where when you make a trade, your money is going to go into this bank account. So you select a bank. So they have different Nigerian banks. If I had put that I'm based in Ghana, it would have brought out the banks for Ghana. So you see the Access Bank, Eco Bank, Fidelity Bank, any bank that is a bank in Nigeria. Even Money Point is here. All right, let me see if there's OPay. OPay is here. So you see that you put in your details in this place. All right, so let's move on. Then you have wallet. This is where your money comes to. So you can see add or manage bank account. You have your history where you see all your gift cards transactions, okay, the ones you sold, your withdrawals, anyone that is pending, you will see it here. So if you want to sell gift card on this platform, please like this video, guys. You come to sell gift cards. So when you come to sell gift cards, they have different gift cards, okay. If you subscribe to this channel, I'm going to be showing you how you do transactions with all of them. Okay, so you have Steam gift card, you have Google Play gift card, you have Amazon gift card, you have American Express, Apple iTunes, American Express again, eBay gift card, Foot Locker, GameStop, JCPenney, Kohl's, Louis, Macy's, NetSpend, Nike, Nordstrom, Razer, Sephora, Target, Ulta Beauty, Vanilla gift card, Xbox. You have all of them here. Okay, so this is where you will do your transaction. So let's say for instance you want to sell your Foot Locker gift card. So you come here, you select the category. So let's see the different categories. So you have the $50 to $99. You have the e-code. That's if it is a e-code and not the physical gift card. You have $100 to $500. So any of this category you choose, then you place the amount that is on the card. Okay, then you upload the image. People are always asking me, where do I see gift card? People who know how they get their gift cards, they get their gift card through giftings. Maybe somebody abroad gifted you, or you buy. Okay, so yeah, that's how people get it. So in case somebody wants to ask me that question, so you are going to snap the image. Okay, so they say you can upload multiple cards at once. So if you have different Foot Locker cards, you just snap it here and upload it. Okay, then you add the code, because usually this gift cards, they usually have a code at the back of it. So you add the code here. Are you seeing it? So when you fill all this information, then you now click on confirm. All right, when you click on confirm, then the platform will hold like an escrow. They'll hold it for you hold your gift card until the vendor confirms, or the platform confirms that they've received it and you've received your money in your bank account. So they put top gift cards according to high rates. So the top gift cards on this platform is Steam. So 10 to 500 UK Steam is going for 1,500. You have Steam UK e-code, because the some people have gift cards, some people have physical ones. Okay, so the prices usually differs. So you have this one is 1,460 naira. Steam, different Steam, European Steam 1,260 naira. European e-code 1,240 naira. Razor you can just see the pricing 1,210. If you like me to do a video comparing different gift cards platform and their cost, let me know in the comment section if that's something that you would like to see on this channel. Then you have Apple iTunes, Visa 1,020 naira. Okay, I always tell people, please don't leave your money inside any gift card app, because you don't know what can happen to any of these apps. So if you do a transaction, withdraw your money and put it in your bank account. Okay, I've seen so many people lose money inside gift card apps. Okay, so please any app, I'm not talking about just this app in particular, any app that you are doing transactions with, don't get too comfortable. Once you see your money, withdraw it, put it in your OPay or your Pound Pay or your Nigerian bank account or Ghanaian bank account. So this is how simple it is to sell your gift card on this platform. So you want to come to profile details. Okay, so you have your profile details here. KYC verification. So on this app, they are doing KYC verification. You need to input your BVN and your a selfie of yourself. So I'm wondering why they are doing KYC verification. They say this we have to prioritize security and build trust on our platform. By verifying your BVN, we can protect you from potential fraud and maintain a secure trading environment. Rest assured that your personal information is handled with utmost care. Well, this platform is the first platform that I'm saying that they are asking for BVN for gift card transactions. So I'll be careful about that anyway. All right, they also have a support system, so you can send them, I mean, this video is not sponsored, okay, so that's why we're doing the review. You can send them a message. They say they have two-factor authentication security to withdraw your money, how to withdraw your money and all of that. To withdraw your money is really simple. All you need to do is, once you do your transaction and you have imputed your bank accounts, if your money is there, you come to withdraw. So you put the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say there's no money on this account, but you say 3,000 or something, and you go to proceed. You have to put in your transaction pins and all of that, but it's very easy to withdraw your money. It shouldn't be a problem. Then they have this get free 10,000 naira. So if you can refer people to their platform, you can earn referrals. I know most of you are not interested in that. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Remember to use the code on the screen as well as the link in the description box. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.